what's up. Today I'm gonna be building a track without my friend Lewis.
So what are you doing at the minute, Andrew?
I was just building a track last night, and I'm gonna build the rest of it today.
So what are you doing at the minute?
I'm like putting out buffer setting one here, so when goes the train comes this way, it will just stop right here.
Alright, okay. So are you just making a small track today?
Mhm.
So can you talk me through what you're doing?
So I'll build like the switch one leads to another buffer right here, and this is the track to 42nd Street, and you can transfer to the other 42nd Street station right there.
Okay. So what's that, Andrew? What have you got there?
A break.
So you're just making